चलिए, इस बीच मार्केट में अच्छी रिकवरी है। हमने यूरोपियन मार्केट्स में भी देखा, रुझान अच्छा देखने को मिल रहा है और इसका क्लियर इम्पैक्ट देखने को मिल रहा है इस समय। इनफैक्ट अच्छा संकेत है। अब देखिए, कैक 40 करीब ½ % ऊपर इस समय ट्रेड करते हुए। बाकी जो ग्लोबल मार्केट्स हैं, एटलीस्ट यूरोपियन मार्केट्स में इस समय रुझान अच्छा है। जर्मन इंडेक्स भी ½ % ऊपर इस समय ट्रेड करते हुए। बात करते हैं आज के IPO के बारे में, जो कि ओपन हुआ है, HCG। और इस IPO पर बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ कंपनी के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर BS अजय कुमार जुड़े हैं। उनसे बात करते हैं। मिस्टर कुमार, thanks for joining us and congratulations. Your IPO has opened today. This last whole year we saw actually a lot of IPOs and from various sectors, and some of them have done really well. Now, what are your plans post this issue? आप जो रकम जुटा रहे हैं करीब 650 करोड़, how do you plan to invest it?
Yeah. We are raising about 650 crores, out of which 250 will be the primary, and our intention is to use this partially to bring down our debt. Nearly 150 crores will be used to bring down our interest-paying debt, because we have two sides of debt. One is interest-paying, one is vendor-financed, which doesn't have an interest payment and a deferred scheme. So we'll bring down our interest-paying debt, and you will be generating significant cash flow, and we are going to use that for further expansion. Also, we have other capex requirement. We are using the rest of the money, as well as strengthening our IT sector. Very important nowadays, particularly in healthcare, to do analytics. So we want to strengthen our IT sector across all our 14 plus 12 centers which are now coming up. So by the end of the 2017, we'll have nearly 26 centers seeing nearly 90 to 100,000 new cancer patients, one of the highest globally. So we have this growth in front of us. So we believe IT is very important for us to strengthen it, and further growth will happen because of that. So these are the areas where we are going to invest for future growth of the company, because we do certainly, we have grown about 25% annually. We see significant similar growth happening in the next few years. So we want to consolidate and prepare for that.
एग्जैक्टली अगर आप देखें, आपने 25% की ग्रोथ की बात करी। आई मीन ये परसेंटेज ग्रोथ का था, काफ़ी हैंडसम ग्रोथ रहा है अब तक आपके इस सफ़र में। सर, अब तक आपका एक सोशल ऑब्लिगेशन था, वो आपने बखूबी पूरा किया, लेकिन अब आपका एक बिजनेस ऑब्लिगेशन भी है और आपका एक ऑब्लिगेशन आपके इन्वेस्टर्स के प्रति भी होगा। मैं एग्जैक्टली जानना चाहता हूँ सर कि यहाँ से आगे जाते हुए ग्रोथ कहाँ से आएगी, ड्राइविंग एरियाज कौन कौन से होंगे। दूसरी बात ये भी पूछूंगा डॉक्टर कुमार कि एग्जैक्टली जो आपकी ज्योग्राफिकल प्रेजेंस है उसको कैसे कैसे बढ़ाएंगे आप, और इंडिया में अभी आपको कहाँ कहाँ पे थोड़ा सा और विस्तार करना है।
Yeah, we have, as you know, we have grown significantly over the years. 12 centers coming up are across the country. One of the thing about our model is we are not only growing in big cities, but we are also penetrated very successfully tier 2, tier 3 cities. Take for example Cuttack or Nasik or Ahmedabad. All of them are growing significantly. Not only new centers, but existing centers are also growing. In fact, we are expanding the facilities because some of the centers like Ahmedabad have reached a saturation point. So we see significant growth happening in the existing centers, as well as the new centers. We are coming up in places like Baroda, Kanpur, Delhi, Calcutta, as well as in Nagpur. So apart from that, we are also into overseas. We see significant number of international patients coming through our particular Bangalore, which is center of excellence, as well as Ahmedabad. Nearly 20% of the revenue for our Bangalore is from patients, international patients, and it is increasing significantly year on year. Because cancer care requires long-term care, not just weeks, but months or years. For continuation of the care, we have established clinics in East Africa, and we are also expanding that as a treatment center as we go forward, and we have formed a JV with Commonwealth Development Corporation to expand this region. So our growth, to summarize, will happen across India using our hub and spoke model, also in Africa. Apart from that, we have another significant growth happening in the second specialty of ours, which is fertility. As you know, fertility is an unorganized. Nearly 27 million people require care, but only 270,000 people are going for any opinion. So this again is going to be a growth, and we have a very brand name doctor under us with Dr. Kamini Rao. Under her, we are now expanding. She is one of the first movers, And under the name of
Right.
Milan, we are now expanding quite rapidly. We have about 5 centers and likely to expand to 8 to 10 centers in the very near future,
Right.
which will be quite
Mr. Kumar,
profitable, these centers.
Quickly, one is, once you raise this money, इसमें से expansion पे कितना खर्च होगा आपका, and what kind of debt equity ratio you are looking at once you start investing this money, and secondly, जो next fiscal होगा, next financial year होगा, इसमें आप टोटल एक्सपेंशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर ब्रांच, नंबर ऑफ बेड्स और स्पेशलिटी सेंटर्स इंक्लूडिंग ओवरसीज नेटवर्क कितना देख रहे हैं?
Yeah, our breast strength, as you know, oncology is not measured only by breast strength. Lot of it is outpatient. But having said that, our breast strength will almost double. From 900, we'll go to 1,800 to 900 because of expansion across the country. So this is one of the things which is going to happen, and we are also looking at significant growth even in our outpatient facilities as we move forward. So this is how our growth is coming up, and we look at the mature centers. For example, our 5 mature centers, 4 to 5 years, are quite profitable with EBITDA margin of 25% or more. So we expect lot of our centers which are in the various stages of growth happening will reach that point, and so as a consolidation, our group will reach that mid-20s in the next few years.
जी जी डॉक्टर कुमार, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप इस कार्यक्रम में शामिल हुए और अपने इस आईपीओ के बारे में, अपने ग्रोथ प्लान्स के बारे में, फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट के बारे में आपने हमसे बात की। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका इस कार्यक्रम में शामिल होने के लिए।